languages, 12 dialects, and only one country. That's mine, your, and our country, India. Respected President Sir, MD Sir, Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning and happy 71st Independence Day to one and all. As we know, we have gathered here for this Independence Day celebration. Vidyashri School welcomes you on this auspicious day. As we all know, the three-color flag of our country resembles courage, strength, peace, truth, purity, fertility, growth, and the chakra of Dharma. Before proceeding any further in today's program, I would like to invite Honorable Shri Vigrajji Daga Vidyashri School to hoist our prestigious national flag and unfold the brightness, happiness, and cheer of the day.
Attention! Start.
Been waiting for this moment. This is the time to invite with warmth in our heart and resounding a round of applause to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Neha Daga, for her motivational speech inspiring all of us.
Kavanji Daga, and happy Independence Day to all my team members and others, to all students. It's my pleasure to address this speech on this glorious occasion. We are here to celebrate this pious day of freedom. But first of all, we should not forget all those pains and struggles a freedom fighter went through to give us a free sky to fly. What is freedom actually? It's not just a word. It is the feeling, it is the essence of life. It is that everlasting hope that once reached can never be taken away. It is not only to free from others' dominations, it is to free from social evils and prejudice. Let's take an oath to take our country to new height. Uneducation, lack of cleanliness, illiteracy, discrimination, poverty, corruptions are such setbacks which hinders our national growth. Students, you are the future citizens of India. Just wake up now. We have to work together to remove all these hurdles from path of our milestone that is India, our dream India. May our goal be a limitless height of the sky. May our feet be on the ground. May our needs to be fulfilled. All the yielding determinations, may our hands be clasped together to make such a India, Ek Bharat, Shreshtha Bharat. I would urge you as a fellow national builder to participate in the journey of making our nation a dream nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, ma'am. There are a lot of thoughts in student mind to express. On today's very important day, I would want to invite in the middle of stage one of our bright minds and my very close friend Palak from class 6 to express and share her thoughts with a hilarious speech. So put your hands together once again for Palak. friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August to remember all the sacrifices of the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. Got independence on 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we gave all the fundamental rights in our own nation or motherland. We all should feel proud to be India and admire our future that we took birth and of Independence Day. History of shape India reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal. Not imagine by sitting here that Independence Day was from the British rule. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and civil leaders of struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey in the British force, had first raised his voice against British rule for the independence of India. Thank you and happy Independence Day. For all. Moving further from speech, it's the right time to invite class 6 and 7 patriots to represent their patriotism with a very energetic patriotic song. Let us all welcome them with the same energy and boost.
performance. So all of you put your hands together for a firing dance performance from class LKG.
समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी।